Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Unsol. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful designing which you can try on your plain suits or else for the designing of blouses. So we need to give the neckline marking like this. Besides the neckline marking, starting from the shoulder line till the chest line, we need to give the markings of the curve shape like this, and the leftover place I've given the dots like the rangoli dots you can clearly see here. And now let's start with the designing. In this marked space we have to create the pani work. For that I'd be applying the glue, the random markings of the curve shape like this. This is how we will create the pani or the water flow work which we often use in Ari or the Maggam work patterns. This is for the filling we use it. Today we are using this design to create our plain or the simple suits to turn into designer suits, and like this after applying the glue line. For the designing I'd be going with the chain bow lace of small size gold color, and on that lines exactly start moving your hand making the curves, also the shapes like this. Instead of this chain bow lace you can try with the stone lace or the pearl lace, other color stone laces which will really gives the nice look matching to your garments. You can try it. Believe it or not, this design is so simple that you can do just like that after watching this video, and you don't need to put your much efforts for this designing. The curves with the random markings and sticking the chain bow lace exactly on that markings. The inner space we have to fill with the pani work. As I said before itself, you can try this design on your plain suits or else on the plain blouses or old stitched blouses. Even for the front side of this saree on the pallu work you can design it, which will really gives awesome designing. And hardly it will take 1 or 2 hours to dry. This is how I'll fill completely. And now that it's completely dried, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on it. Here I'd be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle for giving an invisible stitches. So leaving 3 or 4 chain bow lace, we have to give the stitch in between the gap. Doing like this even after the frequent washes also it will not come out. And go for the light wash or the dry wash. Even you can also try for the mild shampoo wash so that it will not fade easily. Applying the glue and doing this work makes your work easy to do, or else you can directly place it like this, the chain bow lace, and give the stitches. If you think the glue may leave stains, then you can directly place it and give the stitches like this. And here I am doing the work on size 16 number frame or an embroidering hoop. The details which I am using in this designing is given in the description box. Kindly check out because most of them were asking about the materials. I've been using this chain bow lace since the long time, but I never felt it's fade out. So use the quality one. And on the dots I'd be stitching the gold beads of size 4 number. And this is how we have to join the beads. These type of designing you can try on any types of fabrics like silk, raw silk, pure silk, cotton, Mangalgiri cotton, whatnot. You can try these designs on any patterns. Though this type of designing will really look simple, but once you wear it, it will really gives nice and stylish look. Also try this on your plain old suits or for any types of designing which will really work out. This is how I'll stitch on complete beads on these dots. Once completed, this is how it looks. Isn't it looking so awesome? I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also